What's up YouTube, this is James and I'm back today with another reaction video. Today we're doing 311, Dodging Raindrops. This is off of their newest album. Excited to hear this one, I've heard good things. It has a lyric video, it says it's an official lyric video, so should be accurate. So yeah, with that said, let's go ahead and just hop in. 311, if you know them, you love them probably. If you're watching, and if you don't know them, then welcome to 311, and we'll see what you think. Be sure to leave a comment down below if you don't know 311, but you're watching this anyways, just to check them out. Go ahead and comment, like, subscribe. Shooting for 2,000 subs by the end of May, if you could help out. And let's go ahead and just get into this 311, Dodging Raindrops.
Why do I stay inside? I should be living life instead of watching through the window. No use in playing safe, not gonna hesitate. I know the storm is only mental. I'm letting go, giving up the control. Yeah, I'm ready to go wherever the wind blows. I wanna see where the road's gonna lead. Time is ticking and the world is not waiting on me. I've been dodging raindrops for far too long.
Alright, so this song's dope. Basically it's about people, I guess, letting their fear and their anxiety get the best of them and not going outside, and enjoying life, just enjoying life in general. So far that's what I've got. So.
For far too long. These clouds over my head, they won't move on. I've been dodging raindrops, try not to get wet. I've been dodging raindrops for far too long. Dodging raindrops, but they're all in my head, all in my head. But they're all in my head, all in my head. Sooner or later it comes, as quick as it comes it'll go. Whatever is blocking the sun, right for a moment. Running away from my past, it's pushing me out of my zone. Throwing me under the gun into the unknown. I'm letting go, giving up the control. Yeah, I'm ready to go wherever the wind blows. I wanna see where the road's gonna lead. Time is ticking and the world is not waiting on me.
So yeah, it's about positivity, getting over yourself, getting over whatever it is that's causing you to stay inside. I'm dodging raindrops, but they're all in my head. So basically, saying get out of your own head, and go see what the world has to offer you. What you're missing out there.
The world is not waiting on me. I've been dodging raindrops for far too long. These clouds over my head, they won't move on. I've been dodging raindrops, try not to get wet. I've been dodging raindrops for far too long. Dodging raindrops, but they're all in my head, all in my head. But they're all.
So I like the metaphor of the raindrops. You're dodging raindrops, but they're all in your head. Basically, you know, the raindrops that you're dodging are parties, or, you know, going out to social events. You know, the clouds over your head. You know, if you're depressed, people say that you have you know, dark clouds over your head. And it's talking about, I've been dodging these raindrops for far too long. It's time to go get wet. Time to enjoy life.
But they're all in my head, all in my head. I've been dodging raindrops, but they're all in my head. I've been dodging, but they're all in my head, but they're all in my head. Ready to go outside and to be living life instead of watching out the window. I've been dodging raindrops for far too long. These clouds over my head, they won't move on. I've been dodging raindrops, trying not to get wet. I've been dodging raindrops for far too long. Dodging raindrops, but they're all in my head, all in my head. But they're all in my head, all in my head. All in my head, but they're all in my head. But they're all in my head, but they're all in my head.
All right, that was 311 Dodging Raindrops. What a cool concept for a song, a dope song. Been dodging raindrops for far too long, meaning you've been avoiding, going out, avoiding hanging out with friends, basically being depressed. But they're all in your head. There aren't really any raindrops out there to dodge. You've just been dodging them for far too long, and it's time to get back out there and see what the world has to offer you. 311, always with the positivity. I love it. Nice funk sound to it, a little rock, a little funk. Nick Hexum on the vocals sounded good as usual. S.A. Martinez with kind of the no rapping or anything in this song, but kind of the backup vocal. Good song. Hopefully more songs on the new album sound like that, because I actually thoroughly enjoyed it. Hope you did too. If you're not a 311 fan, if you are, then you already know. You know what it's about. But suggest some new ones from this album and Mosaic, because those are the two albums I really haven't had a chance to listen to. And everything I've listened to, I've liked. So keep those suggestions coming. Let me know what you think about the song. Let me know what you think about my reaction to it. And if you're not a 311 fan, definitely let me know in the comments what you thought about it. With that said, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Be sure and like, comment, subscribe. Again, 2,000 subs by the end of May is the goal. So if you could help, that'd be great. Share with your friends, all that good stuff. Share with all your 311 friends, and I'll try to react to more 311. And with that said, be safe and deuces.